How to solve Windows 10 or 11 freezes randomly while playing games on PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can fix your Windows 10 or 11 freezing randomly while playing games. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you're playing a specific game on your Windows 10 or 11 PC and that you're facing the lag issue or randomly freezing and now you want to improve the performance, it's actually very simple to do that. The very first thing we're going to check is whether or not we have enough disk storage, right? So just go to your C drive or D drive depending upon where the games are installed. Make sure they have enough storage. If you want to clean those files, what you have to do is from a search menu, just type in disk cleanup. This application should be available by default. You don't have to download any third-party ones. Just select disk cleanup and then choose the drive. Do this for all of the drives basically, then click on OK. It will scan for the files that are deletable. So over here you can select all of the temporary files in this case, and once you select all the temporary files, just click on the OK button over here and then click on delete files button, and then it's going to delete all of those cache and junk files. Now the other thing we're going to do is to simply check the background application. So click on the arrow icon, check which apps are running in the background. If you don't need a specific app, right click on it and then just select the option called exit, and then you can simply exit those applications. Now the other thing you also want to do is just simply disable startup applications. So whenever you open up Windows, many of the applications are going to be started by default. One way you can turn it off is just by going to that app settings, but if you don't find that option, then you can disable it from the task manager. Right click from the bottom of the taskbar and then go to task manager, and then over here you'll be able to see all this, where you have to simply look for the option called startups in this case. So you just look for startup apps, and these are the applications that is going to be enabled whenever you turn on your PC. So basically what you have to do, you can say Spotify, just right click on it and click on disable. In my case I will disable it. Keep in mind to not disable the system apps because those are system apps, but if it's a third-party app that you downloaded from somewhere, you want to make sure to disable those applications. If this doesn't help, the other thing that you can actually try to do is just go to your battery and power settings over here. So once you basically go to your battery and power settings, I want you to go just set your power mode to the best performance. So whenever you're playing games, your laptop is going to use the maximum possible battery. Make sure that you plug in and play, and then after that you should be able to most likely play without any issues. The last but not the least, one thing I'd recommend you to do is simply try to check for Windows Update and always use the latest version of Windows. So go to Windows Update, click on the check for updates, and then you should be able to successfully go ahead and then update it to the latest version. Hope this video helped you solve your problem. If any one of these solutions helped you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.